Hello, this is Mitch King with Trade Stocks America with the Tuesday evening, July 21st, 2009 daily stock report. Here's the Dow Jones still continuing upward today. It looks like we're in a scenario where the stocks continue up some sort of fashion like this. We're also looking for some sort of pullback without it becoming a runaway stock on the upside. The Nasdaq Composite's also moving up. The Nasdaq Composite also moved up, and the Apple Computers earnings after the market should boost the Nasdaq as well as the overall market tomorrow. Here's the Apple earnings right here after the market. And when you see this 1600 right here, that means the market closed at 4 o'clock Eastern, and about half an hour at 4:30 Eastern, the company released earnings. So their stock went from about $152 up $6, and that should boost the market up a little bit, at least to give some sort of a bias toward the upside. Let's take a look at a couple of stocks to follow up. HAR, we covered this short position today. Didn't move down much as I thought, but pretty much the profit potential in this short is out, and this was a really lucky to get that kind of profit in a short period of time, 31% in 2 days. Let's move on to, here's AIG short, still a little dangerous on this. It should have broken down some more, so we're getting a little bit on guard with this. Keep your stop losses in here. Let's review a few other stocks. Here's Johnson & Johnson. Here's Johnson & Johnson, real steady up. Let's take a look at the ETF for crude oil. I think this is time to sell tomorrow. And we're already up on this 20% from 9.25 to 11.11. I think this is probably going to head down. And we're starting to see signs of these oil stocks getting weak. XTO, we opened a short position on this one, calling this as a small short tomorrow. And let's take a look at a few other shorts. PTR, which is PetroChina. This one is not as good of a chart as XTO. Here's PBR, but they're also oil stocks are heading down. Let's take a look at a couple steel stocks turning over. Here's U.S. Steel as well as AKS, also open to short positions, and Joy Global, not too late to open a short. We're looking for 10 to 12% on these in the next week or so. Here's a idea for aggressive traders. This is what we call a bull short that's described in the Wizard training course. Human Genome Sciences, HGSI. Eventually this is going to be a good short. It may take a while for this to come down. It's very possible some of these could take weeks. So just continue to watch this and see, let it keep running up. It's not worth a long position at this point. A few days ago, the stock was at $2.60. So don't forget that this is where you came from here, and now we're right up here at $13.84 at the close today, 3 days later. So don't go jumping in the long side. We're just staying on the sidelines to see, let it run up and look for a potential short. So this is for aggressive investors or traders who have a high risk tolerance. Oh, one more oil stock with COG as a potential short. We're looking this to start turning over here the next day or so. This is a small short position, a very good swing short idea, not too late, of course. I tend to be a little on the early side to open these, and I do it really gradually in small increments. So you guys take care, put the odds in your favor. We'll talk to you tomorrow night.